guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 2 of April. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so starting off with my bills, electricity is getting $50, and I know you guys could see it. My setup is a little bit different today. I wanted to try something new. It keeps me motivated. So I like to switch things up here and there, you know. I don't like to keep it the same all the time. It gets boring. So electricity is getting $50. I used to switch up my envelopes a lot, but I haven't changed them up in a minute, so that's why I just changed my setup a little bit. Okay, car insurance is getting $45, so 20, 45. Okay, on to my cash envelopes. Okay, so starting off, we don't have any rollover money from last week. So grocery is getting its usual $120. So let me zoom in a little bit. So 120. Okay, next is gas, and gas is getting $40 this week. Gas is getting a little bit more this week is because, like I told you guys, it's Cambodian New Year this weekend, so we need some gas money to travel to the temple and back. So I'm super excited for this weekend. Okay, and next is spending, and spending is getting $40 also. Okay, so we're not stuffing beauty this week or giving. Okay, on to my sinking funds. Okay, on to my sinking funds. Lanesia is getting her usual $25. So let me give you guys a little update, because I get a lot of questions about my PXBudgetz wallet when it will be back in stock. So I'm aiming for mid-April. Well, it's already almost mid-April. Well, probably the end of April. We ran into a small issue, so it caused a small delay. So it might be towards the end of April or the beginning of May. So yeah. So Lanesia has 5,000, 6,000, 5, 7,000, 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, 120. Okay, so Lanesia has 7,120. Next is Jaden, and Jaden is getting $25 also. You guys let me know how you guys like this little setup. Do you like this little tray better than my bigger tray? Okay, so Jaden has 5, 6,000, 5, 6, 7, 800, 50, 70, 90, 910, 915, 20, 25. $6,925. Okay, on to drip. Oh no, on to family time. Family time is getting $40. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Next is Drip. Drip isn't getting stuff this week, but I always like to count and see how much I do have in my envelopes. So we have 50, 65. So $65 in Drip, which is our clothing envelope. Okay, on to my emergency fund binder. Okay, so starting off my cash emergency fund, we have $2,000 in there, and it's not getting stuffed this week. Okay, and next is my home emergency fund, and that is getting $200. So 200. We have 5, 6, 7, 8,000, 5, 9,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 50, 7, 50, 70, 90, 810, 820, 825. So we have 9,825. Car emergency fund is getting 0 this week, but let's see how much we have in that envelope. So we have 1,000, 500, 6, 700, 20, 40. So 1,740 in car emergency fund. Health is getting $5. We have 500, 600, 7, 800, 20, 45, 50. So 850 in health. Alright, so time to scratch off our golden diamond challenge. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this gem. So this is $170 out of the diamond, and so we're gonna pick this one. So this is 40. So the total is $210. 170 and $40. So that's 210. Okay, onto my pink binder. Christmas is getting $10 this week. We have 1, 200, 20, 40, 50, 65. So 265 in Christmas. Okay, next is back to school, and back to school is getting $5. We have $10 in back to school. Next is invest, and invest is getting $10. We have $20 in invest. Okay guys, last is my gifts envelope, and gifts is getting $60. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90 in gifts. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye.